Today's topic is transfer of heat. There are three modes of transfer of heat. Number 1, conduction. Number 2, convection. And number 3, radiation. What is transfer of heat? The flow of heat always takes place from hot object to cold object. In other words, the heat flows from an object at higher temperature to another object at lower temperature. The first method of transfer of heat is conduction. The process of transfer of heat from a hot object to a cold object without the movement of an object is called conduction. That is, conduction is the process in which heat is transferred from hot object to cold object without the movement of an object. It occurs usually in solid, where molecules in the structure are held together strongly by intermolecular force of attraction amongst them. Conduction process is usually in solid. Solid is that material in which particles are tightly packed to each other. So, conduction is possible only in solid material. Now, activity related to conduction. Take a rod of an iron or aluminium. Fix a few small waxes of the rod. That is, first of all, we take a rod of iron or aluminium and now we fix small pieces of wax on the rod. These pieces should be off at nearly equal distances. Clamp the rod to a stand. Now heat other end of the rod and observe it. As in the picture shows that there is a rod of iron and it is kept with a stand of bricks. At the one end, candle is flamed and heat is transferred from one end to the another. After some time, we observe that one by one all waxes melts and falls. Hence, heat is transferred from the end nearest to the flame to the other end by the method of conduction. Some object can conduct heat while other cannot. There are some objects which can conduct heat and some objects which cannot conduct heat. Conductors. The materials that allow heat to pass through them easily are called conductors. For example, metals like iron, copper, aluminium, etc. That is, conductors are those materials which allow heat to pass through them easily. The next type of material is insulator. The material which do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulator. For example, wood, plastic, glass, etc. Thus, there are some materials which do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulators. The second method of transfer of heat is convection. Convection is the mode of transfer of heat in liquids and gases. That is, the convection is the process in which heat is transferred only in liquids and gases. The molecules of liquids and gases that are near the source of heat get heated first. They become lighter due to the heat and moves upward. The colder particles, being heavier, takes place and this process continues until the whole liquid or gas gets heated. As you see in the picture, there is round bottle flask in which water is kept there and it is heated with the help of flame. The lower part of the water is first heated and after some time the whole water in the bottle gets heated with the help of the process convection. The last process is radiation. Radiation is the process of transfer of heat in the form of waves. That is, in empty space or vacuum, heat is transferred by radiation. For example, the sun's heat reaches the Earth's surface through the radiation. Every hot object radiates some heat into the environment. That is, every hot object radiates heat in the environment. Hence, many times an object gets heated just by being near to a hot object. Thus, in short, we can say about the mode of transfer of heat that in solid, heat is transferred by conduction. In liquid and gases, heat is transferred by convection. And in empty space or vacuum, heat is transferred by radiation. This is all about the mode of transfer of heat. Thank you.